how to make a new Gmail account. So as you can see here, I'm signed into my main Gmail account, and I'm going to show you how to create a second account if you want to. So first you want to click on your profile logo right here, and then you want to click on show more accounts. Now click on add another account, and under here click on create account, and you can choose for personal use or whatever you want this to be. I'm going to choose personal use, and then it will ask you to enter your first and last name. Then you want to press next, and then you should enter your birth date. So I'm going to enter my birth date right here and choose your gender. Click on next. Now it will prompt you to choose your email address based on your first and last name. You can also create your own if you want to use a specific name for your Gmail. Then click on next, and then you will need to specify a password, and then click next. Then you'll be asked to enter a recovery email address, and then click on next, and then you want to click next again. And keep in mind that you can use the same phone number to verify like 2 or 3 accounts per year, I think, at least Google accounts. So if you have a bunch of accounts using the same number, you might not be able to use your number again to create a new account, unless if you get a new phone number or use somebody else's. And sometimes you will be forced to verify a phone number before creating a new account. And that's pretty much it. Now you should have your account created, and then you can go to your Gmail and start using it for whatever Google service that you want to. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.